imagine how less frustrating it will be for your baby when they are able to communicate with you in ASL before they can talk. That is why we are here today, to learn some baby signs. That way your baby is happy, you are happy, and guess what? I am happy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Are you ready? Okay. So the first word we're going to learn today is milk. Milk. So for milk, just squeeze your hand like you're squeezing the milk from a cow, right? Milk. Of course, this is the first time your baby needs to learn because they need the milk to fill their tummy, right? So milk. Eat. Eat. For eat, have all your fingers closed like this and you move them towards your mouth. Like you're putting food in your mouth. Eat. Like this. Eat. You can use a sign to teach your baby food as well. But actually, to sign food is double tap, like food. Meanwhile, for eat is one way, eat, right? So this is eat and this is food. But you don't want to confuse your baby, okay? So for now, just do this, eat or food. More. More. So for more, have all your hands closed like this and you tap them, right? Tap the fingers like this. More. Make sure to use this sign every day with them. Yes. Yes. To sign yes, have your hand in a fist like this and you bring it up and down, right? Or down and up, down and up. While you're doing this, make sure you nod your head at the same time, right? Yes. No. No. To sign no, have your three fingers out like this, your thumb, your index, and your middle finger joined like this, and you tap them on the thumb like this. No. Double tap. No. And at the same time, you're moving your head like this. Left, right, left, right. No. All done or finish. To sign finish, have all your hand, the finger open like this, and you move it back and forth at the same time like this. Finish or all done. Finish or all done. Mama. Mama. To sign mama, have your dominant hand open like this and you tap your thumb on your chin like this. Mama. You see this? Mama. Dada. Dada. To sign dada or daddy, the same thing. You have your thumb on your forehead and you tap twice. Daddy or dada. Like this. Daddy or dada. Baby. Baby. Have your two hands on top of each other like this, having the dominant hand on top of the non-dominant hand, and you swing it like you're rocking the baby, right? Like this. Baby. Water. Water. Have your dominant hand in the W sign like this, so your thumb and your pinky finger are held like this, and your twin finger is up like this, and you tap your index finger on your chin like this. Water. Like this. Water. For your baby might sign water like this. Water, because they might not be able to do the W sign just yet, right? So be patient with your baby and understand them while they're communicating with you. So if they do water like this, that is fine. They're making progress. Bath. Bath. To sign bath, have your two hands close together like this, and then you put them on your chest and you do an up and down motion like this. Bath. You see this? Bath. Like you're scrubbing your body. Bath. Sleep. Sleep. Open your hand like this in front of your face and you move them from up to down, closing them, right? As you're bringing it down, you're closing it like this. Sleep. And you close your eyes. Sleep. Right? Brush teeth. Brush teeth. To sign brush teeth, you have your index finger out like this, keeping it horizontal, and you move it from one side of your mouth to the other side of your mouth like this. Brush teeth, right? Brush teeth. Diaper. Diaper. Have your two fingers out like this, your three fingers out like this, and if you remember the sign no, right? But this time you have it open like this and you do the same motion like no, but you put them on top of your tummy, I would say, yeah, your tummy, and you do this like you're snapping the diaper on the baby like this. Diaper. You see this? Diaper. Change diaper. Change diaper. So this is how you sign change. Basically, you do this, right? Like this, right? So it's like this. Change. Change. You see that? Change. So basically having the dominant hand on top of your non-dominant hand and you're twisting it like a twisting motion like this. Change. Party. Potty. To sign potty, have your dominant hand in a T sign like this, that is having your thumb under your index finger like this, and you wave it left, right, like this. Toilets or potty. Toilets or potty. You see your baby sign potty like this. You see, like this. They might not be able to put their thumb under the index finger just yet. They might sign toilet like this, toilet. That is fine, but keep teaching them toilet like this, toilet. Eventually, they'll be able to do this, toilet or potty. Bed, bed, bed. To sign bed, have your dominant hand open like this, join the fingers, join like this, and you put them on the side of your face, the right side, right? If you're a lefty, you do it with your left hand and you put it on the left side. But I'm a right-handed, so I will use my right hand and put it on the side of my face and do this. Bed. Shoe. Shoe. Have your two hand face closed like this and you tap them on each other twice. Shoe. Socks. Socks. Have your two index finger out like this, join them together, and you do this motion, right? Like one is going in front and one is behind, the other one goes in front, the other one behind, like this. Socks. You see that? Socks. Like this. Socks. Socks. Ball. Ball. Have your two hands open like this and open C, and you tap them on each other. You don't necessarily have to touch them, right? You just do this. Ball. Book. Book, book, book. Have your two hands closed like this, and then you open it and you close it. Like you're opening and closing the book like this. Open, close. Book. Toy. Toy. It is similar to the sign toilet, but the difference is you're shaking it like this. So having your hand in a T sign and you're shaking it, right? Like you're shaking the toy like this. Toy. Toy. Remember, toilet is left, right, but toy is you shake it. Toy. Play. Play. Have your two hands in a Y sign like this. That is having your thumb and your index finger, no, your thumb and your pinky finger out like this, the both hands, and you shake it like this. Play. Hello parents, congratulations in learning your first 20 baby signs. I am so proud of you. I know how this could be a lot or overwhelming for you. So do not stress. I have created a PDF guide down in my description box. That way you will know what to teach your baby, when to teach your baby, or how to teach your baby. Because I know there's just a lot of information and you don't know how to use them. So that guide is going to help you. That way there'll be no pressure on you or your baby. Just enjoy this learning process and eventually your baby is gonna get there, okay? I love you and I love your babies. Awake. Awake or wake up. To sign awake, have your two hands out like this, your thumb and your index finger out like this. Put it on the side of your eyes and you do this, right? Like you're opening your eyes like this. Wake up or awake. Again. Again. Have your non-dominant hand palm flat like this. Take your dominant hand slightly curved like this and you do this motion where you're moving it and you're touching the tip on your non-dominant hand like this. Again, share. Share. Have your two hands flat like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary. Then you take your dominant hand and you put it on top of your non-dominant hand, looking like a cross, like this. Almost like a cross, right? Put it on top of your non-dominant hand and you do this motion. You can either have it here or you have it in between your thumb like this. Share. See this? Share. Share. Hurt. 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 To sign hurt, have your two hands, the index finger pointing each other, and for your dominant hand, you do a twist like this. Hurt. Hurt. Or you do this, so you have your two index fingers sit out like this, but you do this motion, moving it towards each other twice like this. Hurt. So either you do a twist like this, hurt, or you do this, hurt. Scared. Scared. Have your two hands out like this, the fingers spread apart like this. Put them in front of your chest like this, and you do this motion, bringing it inwards like this. You see this? So you're bringing it inward like this, scared. And of course, you have to show this facial expression of being scared, right? Scared. Scared. Listen. Listen. To sign listen, have your dominant hand in the L sign like this. You tap your thumb on your ear like this. Listen. Listen. Colors. Colors. Have your dominant hand open like this. Put the fingertip on your chin and you wiggle them like this. Colors. Friend. Friend. Have your two index finger out like this and you hook them on each other like this. You see? So you hook them and you turn it and you hook it the other way like this. Friend. Friend. Wait. Wait. Have your two hands out like this, the fingers pointing upward, and you wiggle them, bringing them down like this. Wait. Wait. Like this. Wait. Wait. Good. Good. Have your two dominant hands, the palm out like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary, and you take your dominant hand from your mouth or your chin like this, and you bring it and you place it on top of your non-dominant hand like this. Good. Good. This is different from thank you. So for thank you, you don't have your non-dominant hand. You have just your dominant hand and you're moving it outward straight like this towards the person you're thanking, right? Thank you. Meanwhile, for good, you have your non-dominant hand and you have your dominant hand. You place it on top of your non-dominant hand. Good. Good job. So for job, have your two hands in the fist like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary. Then you take your dominant hand and you tap it on top of your non-dominant hand twice. Job. Job or work. Good job. Please have your dominant hand palm flat like this. Put it on your chest and you do a clockwise rotating motion like this. Please. See this? Please. Sorry. Sorry. Have your hand in the fist position like this. Put it on your chest like the sign, please. And you rotate it clockwise on your chest like this. Sorry. Sorry. Happy. Happy. Have your two hands flat like this. Put it on your chest and you do an upward motion like this. Happy. Like this. Happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Cry. 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 Have your two index finger out like this. Put them on your face under your eyes and you move them down, right? Remember to have a sad facial expression. Cry. Help. 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 To sign help, have your dominant hand in the A sign like this and you have your non-dominant palm flat like this and you put the dominant hand and the non-dominant hand together like this. Help. Right? Help. You see, you join them together like this. Help. If you're trying to say help me, you move it towards you. Help me. Help me. If you're trying to say help you, help you. Help you. Help me. Help you. Love. Love. Have your two hands out like this. Cross them on each other and you bring them towards you like you're hugging yourself like this. Love. Love. I love you. I love you. Thank you. To sign thank you, have your flat hand like this. Move it from your chin and you bring it outward like this. Thank you. Thank you. You see your baby sign thank you like this? That would be so cute. But you keep teaching them like this. Thank you. Apple. Apple. Have your index finger curled up like this and you have your knuckle on the side of your cheek, right? And you twist it like this. Apple. You see that? Apple. Apple. Your baby might sign apple like this. Apple. Because they might not be able to do the knuckle bend like this yet. So this is apple. Banana. Banana. Have your index finger out like this with your non-dominant hand. Then you take your dominant hand and you do this motion like you're peeling the skin of the banana like this. Banana. You can as well sign banana like this and you do this. Banana. So having all your non-dominant fingers joined together like this, upward, and you take your dominant hand like this, you peel it, do this motion like you're peeling the skin of the banana. Banana. Orange. Orange is similar to the sign milk, but this time you're squeezing it in front of your mouth like this. Orange. 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 Juice. juice. You do the J sign on the side of your mouth like this, juice, J, but this time you do it on the side of your mouth like this, juice. You can as well sign juice like this, juice, without necessarily putting it on the side of your mouth like this, juice. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Have your dominant hand in a C sign like this, put it on top of your non-dominant palm like this, and you move it like this, right? Like back and forth like this, cookie. You see this? Cookie. Dog. Dog. Snapping your finger like this, right? Dog. The old way, some people still sign that, but I don't see it a lot. They tap it on their thigh and they do this. Dog. Dog. Or they do a quick spelling, DG, dog. So D-O-G, and they just do it fast like dog. But not to confuse your baby, just teach your baby this. Dog. Okay? Your baby might not be able to make this sound, right? Or they might not be able to snap the finger just perfect like this, but just teach them this, right? They'll try to do something similar like this. Dog. Cats. Cats. Have your two hands in the F sign like this. Put it close to your face, right? At the side of your mouth, and you do this motion, right? Like you're stroking the whiskers of the cat like this. Cats. You can as well just use your one hand like this. Cats. Chicken. Chicken. Have your dominant hand out like this, the thumb, and the index finger out like this. Put it close to your mouth, and then you take your dominant hand, put it under, and you tap like this. Chicken. You see this? Chicken. Sometimes you don't have to have this hand out like this, right? Just do the sign chicken. Chicken. This sign is similar to the sign bird, right? Bird or chicken. Stop. Stop. Have your two hands out like this. Keep your dominant hand flat like this, right? The palm facing upward. You take your dominant hand straight like this, and you just put it on top of your non-dominant hand, like a brief stomp on your non-dominant hand like this. Stop, right? Stop. I love you. I love you. So this is a short form for the sign I love you. So basically, have your thumb, index finger, and your pinky finger out like this. I love you. Your baby, if they're still very young, might not be able to form their finger like this. They might do this, right? Or they might do this, but give it time, they'll be able to do all the fingers out like this. I love, and the sign U for why. You. I love you. Or for me, I say this is I, this is love, and this looks like you, right? I love you. Comment baby down in the comment section below if you watched to the end. I hope you're able to learn some baby sign, and hopefully you'll be able right now to communicate with your baby using ASL. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.